Okay, here's the rest of this problem. So remember we just plugged in our information that they gave us, the point and the slope, to this formula. So now I have to kind of solve this formula to get it into this form, because that's what they asked me to get it into. So let's do that. So first thing I'm going to do is change these two negatives to a positive. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute this -3. So -3 times x is -3x. And what's -3 times -3? -3 times -3 is +9. So I'm almost there, because on the one side I can see that I have something x plus a number, which is what I need. But I have this 2 sitting here that I can't have in this form. The y is alone. So I've got to get the 2 out, which means I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to subtract 2. Those 2 cancel. When you do that part, just make sure you're combining it with the right thing. Combine the number with the number, not with the x. And then +9 and -2 is going to be a +7. And that is my slope-intercept form. All right, there are 2 of these on the test. 58. And then there are 4 bonus questions. Okay, and that's all. So listen, we're not going to do another review video tomorrow. Tomorrow, you're going to go through Google Classroom and practice any IXL skills that we've done so far this year, and that will help prepare you for the exam. But if you go over your notes today and you notice there's something that you need more help with, you need to email me and I can do another video with more examples of that particular skill. So just go over your notes, email me if you need something. If not, you're going to work on IXL tomorrow. So I will see you guys later. Bye.